crowded world of medium-high power lighting units, the Axcor600Profile 600 stands out for its high-level performance, its great versatility, and the superior quality of its light. It fits a 500-watt white LED engine and is available in two main versions: the Axcor600Profile 600 and the Axcor600Profile 600 HCST. The two different models are designed for better performance in different fields of application. The first is extremely powerful and bright, the second warmer and more refined. Touring and live shows require an ever-increasing light output level, and Claypaky has responded with a special optical unit capable of achieving the light outputs typical of 1000-watt discharge lamps. And when the boost function is activated, the discharge lamp units are completely left behind. The Axcor600Profile 600 becomes 20% brighter in this mode, achieving incredible illuminance values. This 28,000 total lumen version uses an LED engine that generates an illuminance of 23,500 lux at a distance of 10 meters, about 10.9 yards away, with a color temperature of 6,500 Kelvin and a color rendering index of over 70. Power, contrast, no greenishness, and a CT set to 6,500 Kelvin ensure greater perceived whiteness and therefore greater perceived illuminance. In other words, it is a light designed for racing. The HCST version is different, more delicate and more accurate. It is supplied with a different light conveyance system able to ensure perfect beam uniformity. It fits a different LED engine designed to increase the color rendering indexes and emission spectrum. It is set to 5,600 Kelvin with a CRI of 90 and brightness of 21,000 lumens. The Axcor600Profile 600 STHC is therefore ideal for theaters, TV studios, and fashion shows. Both models have optical units able to ensure a zoom ratio of more than 1:9, which amplifies the light output very effectively. The zoom is able to range from 5 to 48 degrees. The units are equipped with a CMY color mixing system which depends on the version. Extremely bright and electric colors for the Axcor600Profile 600, and warmer and more saturated colors for the HC version. The colors have been conceived and produced by analyzing the intrinsic LED emission spectrum. Deep, rich and powerful for the Axcor600Profile 600, natural, saturated and warm for the HC version. Different color responses for different applications. The speed of its movements and color changes makes the system even more interesting. Its CTO filter allows gradual color variation from 6,500 Kelvin to 3,000 Kelvin, or from 5,600 Kelvin to 2,700 Kelvin. To round off the color section, there is a color wheel with 5 complementary colors on it, including a TM30 to increase the color rendering index value up to 87 for the standard version. For total light control, Axcor600Profile 600 is equipped with a framing system which is similar in its mechanics and use to Claypaky's traditional well-known device, acknowledged by all for its precision, accuracy and flexibility. Its 4 blades, arranged on 4 different planes, 2 motors per blade, and rotation of the entire module through 90 degrees ensure excellent system performance and simple management. The standard visual effects equipment consists of a 7-position rotating gobo wheel and an animation wheel. An optional fixed gobo wheel is also available instead of the animation wheel. It adds 7 more fixed gobos to the effects section. The boost function supports the effects section of the Axcor600Profile 600 standard version, It enhances the effect by increasing their brightness, contrast, and consequently their perception. A gradually inserted frost filter makes it possible to project softer images and, at the same time, diffuses the light, transforming the Axcor Profile 600 into a wash light. You can also alter the light beam using the 4-sided prism. Using the 16-blade iris in conjunction with the zoom also provides good beam effects. The strobe. You can adjust light intensity in a perfectly smooth way, without any change in color and spectrum, thanks to an electronic dimmer. The Axcor Profile 600 uses a combined cooling system for perfect emission spectrum stability and maintenance. It is controlled through the different studio operating modes that manage its noise level. The Axcor Profile 600 has been designed with great attention to its mechanical structure, so that any maintenance is quick and easy. Its modular structure makes this possible. Its components and design make the Axcor Profile 600 a very lightweight fixture, only 33 kilograms. To meet various use requirements, Claypaky has created 2 additional versions of the Axcor Profile 600, which stem from the models described above. A version with boost mode and a CRI of at least 90, and an HC version with a higher brightness. The Axcor Profile 600 and its state-of-the-art technology is the new essential benchmark for all modern entertainment uses.